Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y21s, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by accessing your device's keyboard and clicking on microphone icon at the top right corner of it. If this icon is not visible, select this gear between clipboard and three dots. Now tap on the voice typing section and click on this gray sweater in order to activate it. When you finished, go back to your keyboard. As you can see, my icon is now visible. In order to start typing, click on it. And if you never used this option before, choose while using the app or only this time. Now start typing. When you finished, click on the same now blue icon again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!